Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study about the jQuery Ajax-Post method. The post method requests data from the server using an HTTP post request. This is the syntax for post method. $.post, and inside parameter you can pass URL which is required. This specifies the URL that you wish to request. Then data, this is optional, and callback function. Here in data parameter specifies that some data to send along with the request. Let's see one example for this post method. Here in this example we have two text fields, one for simple text and another for password. Its ID is ABC and its ID is PW. And we have submit button also and one division tag. And here in this script, whenever we will click on this submit button, at that time the value from the both text field will store into this variable n and p. And then we are using this jQuery post method $.post, and inside parameter we can pass the name of URL. Here we are using PHP file as server file. Okay, so we are sending this data to this PHP file. Here this is our data n and variable p. Then this callback function. Here data is whatever we will get in return from that PHP file, and then we will write this data into this division tag. This is the PHP file. If both text fields are not empty, then value of that text fields will be written with echo. Let's see the output. This is simple text field, text, and this is password. Now I am going to click on this submit button. Okay, so this is from the first text field and this is from the second text field. So by using this post method you can send your data to the server and also get the data from server.